Hey guys, my name's Inea. Welcome to my channel. Nick is set up and he's shooting the first room, so while he's doing that, I'm just getting everything else ready for him. All the pillow fluffing and angles and lighting, so I'm gonna take care of that and I'll give you guys a sneak peek. Best photographer in all of New York City. So just tell us how you're setting up, and we just went through the lights. People want to know lights on, lights off. What do you prefer and why?
Sure, I prefer lights off. I prefer to use natural light even in really dark situations. We have beautiful like floor-to-ceiling windows today, so I'm not concerned about that. Yeah, lights, there's just a lot of correcting in post-production, and I just don't like the way it looks in the final process.
Cool. And what are you loading up for us on your iPad?
This is new. This is Cam Ranger Mini. This is a little device that acts as a hotspot. So it's setting up a wireless connection. So all of the images that I make in camera today are going to transfer to this for you to kind of look through. It's just easier to look at a big screen rather than a LCD.
So I usually trust Nick with every shot, and like I don't really care what he's taking because I'm sure I'll love it. But now I'll be able to see what he's taking as he takes it, so that should be fun.
I think it's easier when the designer shows up a little bit earlier to kind of give a general once-over in the space for styling. I'm going to have some tips and some things that are going to look different in camera. Pillows, for instance, they're going to look one way when you're looking at them in real life versus in a photo.
How do you like the side chop or the V chop?
What's a side chop?
Apparently it's like all about the side chop now. You just like right there instead of up there. I mean, I like the top chop, but
I don't know. Do you do it on both sides?
I think so.
Can we see what that looks like?
Yeah, sure.
Like.
I think so. Yeah, I don't know. People are into it, I guess. I guess it's like a less trying vibe, but it looks a little... You know.
There's nothing there that stands out.
You know there's something.
I would say the most annoying questions are the really like camera heavy technical ones, like what camera do you use, what settings are you using, you know, what software do you use to process. All that stuff's really important and necessary, but I just don't think about it. And so when the people come in and say, you know, hey, I've got this camera, is it better than yours, or what do you think about this camera? I just don't really care. Of course.
Oh wow, I love that.
So I gave you some options with and without items on the side, horizontal and vertical, and then just for these we accommodate for the exposure, and I will combine them later.
That's how you do it.
Yeah, so you'll see.
Alright guys, we just wrapped shooting, and then Nick actually took some shots of me for my website, so that should be fun to look at, and I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. I can't wait to show you the pictures, and yeah, see you soon.